Hi Clay Springs Black Bears, it's Miss Gilbert here. Today I'm going to talk to you about our Sunshine State voting. The window to read the books has now closed, and it's time for each of us to select the one book that we really enjoyed the most. It can be a book that was read out loud to you. I know in third grade the teachers read several of them out loud to you, or it can be a book that you read or listened to on your own, but you only get to pick one. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to go over all the books with you, and while I'm showing you the books, start thinking about which one did you really enjoy the most. After we go through them, then I'm going to show you how to do the online voting. I'll switch my screen over and I'll walk you through the steps. At the end, I'm going to talk to you about next year's Sunshine State books, okay? So here we go. First book from this year was Ambrose's Deception. Next, I have Annie's Life and List, Ben Franklin's In My Bathroom, The Bicycle Spy, Bob, Cosmic Commandos, Dragon with the Chocolate Heart, Engineers, Monster Itch Ghost Attack, Sled Dog School, Stella Diaz Has Something to Say, Superstar, Survival Tales The Titanic, Tumble in Blue, and the last one, Wedgie and Gizmo. Okay, so now you've seen all 15 books. I'm going to switch my screen over and walk you through the steps of your online voting. All right, first thing we're going to start off with is you need to get into your Launchpad. Once you're in Launchpad, click on Canvas. Now, once you get into Canvas, on your dashboard, you should see this course right here. It's called Clay Springs Distance Learning. That is the course where Miss Weisbach pastes her morning announcements. And it has the picture of our school on it. Once you get in there, scroll down to the third one, which says Modules. And then you're going to scroll down. The first one is Miss Weisbach's page, and then there's a resource page, and the third one says Media Information Mrs. Gilbert. Scroll a little ways down till you see Sunshine State Young Readers Voting right there. Click on the link, and it's going to show you, wait, let me switch over so it shows you your view. Okay. Here is your quiz. It's not really a quiz, but this is the way we have to do virtual voting. So you have one question. Which 2019-2020 Sunshine State Young Readers book was your favorite? And you'll see I've listed all 15 titles, all the way down to Wedgie and Gizmo. Now, you have to decide which is the one book that meant the most to you that you enjoyed. Click beside the title. Let's say Engineers was your favorite. You're going to click in that little circle, then you're going to scroll down and click on Submit Quiz, and then you'll be finished. Voting will be open on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday until 3 o'clock. After that, on Thursday, I will tabulate all of the votes to determine the Clay Springs winner. And we'll announce that on Friday. I'll have it on Class Dojo, and Miss Weisbach will have it in her morning announcement also, the school winner. That book then gets sent to the state of Florida, where they will tabulate all the results from the whole state to determine which book is the book winner to represent the state of Florida. Now, the other good news, and I have to stop. I am really excited to find out. I think this year's books, this was the best year ever that I remember. There were so many good choices. It was very hard. I narrowed it down to 3, and then finally decided today which one was going to be my pick. So you're probably going to have the same trouble. On Friday of next week or Monday, we are hoping that next year's list of books will be released. So our boys and girls that are in 5th grade, you're going to want to look for the list that represents 6th through 8th grade. And the boys and girls that are in our 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grades, I will be releasing the list so that you can start looking for the Sunshine State books for next year. So I'm excited that that's coming out as well. So remember, you have until Wednesday at 3 o'clock to cast your vote for your favorite book, and then stay tuned till the end of the week to find out which one is the school winner. So start thinking about it now, and good luck with your voting. Bye for now.